Where did you? Anything you
To go for Tron, TRX, Virtual Machine launch, what you need to know. The launch of Tron Virtual Machine, TVM, is a big project that all Tron users have been waiting for. As the launch gets closer, Tron aims to make its network scalable and efficient. Tron is a decentralized network that aims to create a decentralized world. It has also attracted lots of big companies all over the world today and achieved much success. Additionally, Tron has been consistent and has launched many projects in due time. We already know that Tron's testnet was launched on the 31st of March this year. The blockchain firm also launched its mainnet 2 months later. The two projects have propelled Tron to greatness and led to its mass adoption so far. Not only have these led to a serious mass adoption, they positively affected its market value during recent times. Tron has created its own virtual machine, but it is still in its testing phase. The main version will be officially launched on August 30, 2018. Meanwhile, as the date draws nearer, Tron has also decided to upgrade its mainnet for better reliability. Justin Sun, in an open letter, explained all that's there to know on the company's recent actions. Tron Virtual Machine, TVM. Tron Virtual Machine, TVM is a custom-built blockchain network that will make Tron very scalable and proficient. The test version was launched on June 25, and the digital asset had a high number of transactions on July 30, more than 1 million. At that period, the number of daily transactions grew to 49,518 daily, according to an announcement made by Justin Sunday. Sun also stated during the announcement that TVM will be congruent with Ethereum VM for Ethereum dApps developers. He further confirmed that after the launch of TVM, Tron will attain a high transaction speed, 4x greater than that of Ethereum. As said earlier, TVM will be a big feed for Tron users due to the fact that Tron will be more scalable and efficient. Additionally, the concept of bandwidth will also be used on TVM. There will be no charges on daily transactions performed by Tron users. Lucien Chen, the CTO of Tron Foundation, made it known regarding the launching of TVM that it will have 3 developmental tools: development, engine, and third-party. Once the main version of TVM is launched in a few days' time, these developmental tools will be useful to create dApps, decentralized apps. According to Justin Sun, there will be a live coverage of the TVM launch on August 30th, and there will also be a lottery draw for all Tron users of the very same day. It is important to know that after the launch of TVM, Tron users are anticipating to see new projects centered on Tron's network. Also, if there are more activities on Tron's network, it is likely that the value of TRX will increase. Indeed, lots of Tron users are also hopeful that the launch of TVM and other upcoming projects will increase the value of TRX. With the launch of TVM and the upgrade of Tron mainnet, we hope to see a positive change in the value of TRX in the coming weeks. Tron, TRX, price slipping despite TVM and BitTorrent edition. Tron, TRX. As the cryptocurrency markets continue to shed billions of dollars, Tron is the latest coin to suffer from a decrease in value despite positive development for the project. Tron combining cryptocurrency and torrenting. Last week, the Tron Foundation dropped a bombshell of an announcement that the cryptocurrency would be partnering with one of the world's most popular torrenting services, BitTorrent. While the news was anticipated ahead of the official confirmation, considering Justin Sun has been tied to the purchase of the peer-to-peer file sharing service since early January, It represented a milestone for the project in terms of what the coin's community could anticipate on mainnet. While most of the Tron community appreciates the official announcement linking the cryptocurrency to Sun's purchase of BitTorrent, the market has yet to reflect the acquisition in terms of value. Despite adding over 170+ million users via the decentralized, file-sharing application, investors have not flocked to Tron in the way such a high-profile merger would seemingly constitute. Instead, Tron's price has continued to fall with the majority of the market, seeing only a modest bump in price following last week's announcement, which has already been eroded by the price fall of the last several days. In addition, Tron's update of TVM, the Tron virtual machine to assist in the creation of smart contracts and independent blockchains, has had little impact upon the price. Despite accompanying an announcement on Monday of Project Atlas, a proposed improvement of Tron's mainnet to function more efficiently with BitTorrent, the positive development action out of the coin is seeing little reflection in market value. While most investors in cryptocurrency, particularly those who invest in projects they hope to hold long-term for appreciation, have grown accustomed to the inverse price movement accompanying new development, it does characterize 2018 as a more bizarre year for cryptocurrency. Despite the tanking value of the industry's market capitalization, 2018 has far and away been a massive year in terms of crypto development and new adoption across the board of many coins. Erratic market valuation given the reckless investing that capitalized the final quarter of 2017 and opening weeks of this year, total industry fatigue may be leading to investors having less concern over what projects are improving or forming new partnerships, and instead create the conditions for a massive exodus to try and catch the market cap bottom. Bitcoin has continued to hold its sway over industry price movement, with a small rally forming in response to anticipation over an SEC-approved ETF. However, following last week's dismissal of a bid by the Winklevoss twins to form a BTC ETF, the market has taken a decidedly negative stance on crypto in the short term, again contributing to Bitcoin-imposed volatility on the industry. Despite the lack of return on value for Tron and TRX investors, the infusion of BitTorrent onto the currency's network can only be beneficial for the long run. While 2018 represents the peaking interest for crypto projects and blockchain, the latter half of the year and next might transition into a search for legitimate reasons to use crypto. Sun and the Tron Foundation have yet to outline their plan for torrenting on the cryptocurrency's platform, but they have proposed an intention to incentivize participation. Given the substantial overlap between crypto and torrenting, it seems like there is legitimate room to grow via the BitTorrent merger. Tron, TRX, launches Tron Wallet application for Android. Tron Wallet application for the Android system has been announced by Tron Foundation via the Twitter page. The app is already on Google Play, while for iOS it is coming later on. Some of the features posted on the Declaration Medium blog post: no fees. Yes, that's right, sending and receiving TRX is free. Fully decentralized peer-to-peer wallet. No login, no sign-up. All Tron network operations supported, except create token, push notifications. Get notified immediately once transactions are processed. Easy to use. A lot of detail went into making the user experience very simple and fast. The app is being developed for 4 months now by the Get.io Incorporated, which targets most in modern AWS, blockchain and JavaScript. The whole process of development is supported by Tron, as it handed the team $200,000 to speed it up. Tron first anniversary. Justin Sun reminded us of this fact in a tweet only yesterday, July 30th, when the team was launching the Tron virtual machine along with a secret project. Also in the tweet, was him announcing that it was his birthday. The full tweet can be found below.